Creating a TikTok account is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Download the TikTok app *. Go to your device's App Store, Google Play Store for Android, App Store for iOS. Search for TikTok and download the app. 2. Open the app *. Tap on the TikTok app icon to open it. 3. Sign up or log in *. When you first open the app, you'll be greeted with a login screen. You can choose to sign up with your phone number, email address, or connect using a social media account like Facebook or Google. 4. Create an account *. If you're signing up with a phone number or email, you'll need to enter the required information and follow the prompts. 5. Set up your profile *. Once you're signed in, you can set up your profile. Add a profile picture, a bio, and any other information you'd like to share. 6. Explore the app *. Familiarize yourself with the app's features. You can swipe up and down to browse through videos, and tap on videos to watch them. 7. Start creating *. To create your own videos, tap on the plus sign usually located at the bottom center of the screen. Follow the prompts to record or upload a video, add effects, text, and music. 8. Privacy settings *. Optional. You can customize your privacy settings by going to your profile, clicking on the 3 dots, usually in the top right corner, and selecting Privacy and Safety. 9. Start following and interacting *. Follow other users and interact with their content by liking, commenting, and sharing. 10. Engage with TikTok trends *. Explore popular challenges and trends to stay engaged with the TikTok community. Remember to adhere to TikTok's community guidelines and policies while creating and interacting with content. Enjoy your TikTok experience.